Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will show you a quick tour of LinkedIn Bangalore office and then have fun at Play Arena in this video. So firstly, we as a group got an opportunity to attend a seminar at LinkedIn office, and then we had a quick office tour of certain areas of a floor we were in. Though they have multiple floors but were restricted for us to have a visit there. Enjoy this quick tour. Then we went to Play Arena for having multiple fun activities. There are different classes of tickets available here like Prime, Studio, Pixel, etc. You can choose the one according to your preference. Let me show you the glimpses of activities that we enjoyed here. We started by having lunch at this place. There are multiple combos available here that you can choose from. This was also included with our ticket. You also have an option to enjoy other eateries available here.
Perfect. These two are the home stations you have to start from here. If you are in red color, you have to start from here. If you are in green color, you have to start from here. In the middle of the arena, there are two elements are there called as targets. One is in red color and opposite side green is there. From entry right side you can see green color element is there, left side you can see red color. In your jacket.
We ended our evening with a bit of dancing. Hope you loved the short video. Please do like this video and subscribe my channel for future contents.